Hello everyone, good morning. This is Suleiman. So in this we are using doing car part annotation. So we are annotating different car parts such as, let me give an example. In this you can see top fender, rocker panel, wheel, window panel, and door. So these are annotated part for reference. So this is window panel, front and rear, door knob, front and rear, door, front door, and rear door, rocker panel, front rocker panel, rear rocker panel. This is wheel, this is fender, this is top fender. So in this we are using SuperNet for annotating the car parts. So it is using different annotating different car parts. The next is you can see this is these are images for reference. So here we can see this is a roof. This is uh, window backside with like a mirror. This is boat, fender, light. This is bumper, and these are wheels. So here are the parts: roof, fender, wheel, windshield. This is a rear windshield, light, boot, and bumper. This is a boot. This is a backside rear windshield. This is bumper, rear bumper. So we're annotating different parts. So we're considering the wheel to be at right side. So from that this becomes the right part, this becomes the left part. So this is right rear fender, this is left rear fender, this is the right rear wheel, this is right left wheel. So this is bumper, this is rear bumper. Bumper is only, there are two bumpers, front bumper and rear bumper, two windshields, front windshield and rear windshield. Roof is only top roof. Top fender are front right top fender, front right rear top fender. Then other is left top front rear fender and left rear top fender. So these are the other parts. So in this we can see is door, doorknob, wheel, fender, light, and bumper. This is a good image. We can see all parts here. Wheel is there, door is there, doorknob, window panel, top fender, light is there, fender is there, rear fender, rear bumper, front bumper, light, bonnet, and rocker panel. This is side mirror, and you can see this is the front windshield. Roof is also there. We can see light here, bumper, boot, windshield. These are for reference. These are images that are annotated. We can see there are many images like this. Mm, Good. These are many images for reference. Then we are doing our own for reference. Let's just get started. So the model prints the images like which part where goes to where. So we are deleting that they are not too much accurate. So we're doing once again from the start. So I can get to and give an example like how the images are noted. So the tool is super nice. So we can see this is home button, undo, redo, revert all, hide or show labels, settings such as brightness, contrast, or saturation, comments. This is tagging comment. These are different shapes, and this is select. If the parts are labeled, we can see here the parts are labeled. For quality check, this is keep image and QA mode, like the parts are labeled in QA mode. These are images and these are the number of images we can see. Let me give an example at how many classes are there. So let me give an example. So I'm marking it as radiator. So radiator is front radiator, rear radiator. Then it is a seat belt. Seat belt can be inside the seat belt. Then is gear stick. Okay, gear stick is also there. Dashboard. Okay, next is steering wheel. Steering wheel can see only one steering wheel, so there are no more attributes. Seat, I can seat as well. Seat front position lamp. We can see front left seat or front right seat or rear seat. Then is doorknob. Doorknob was also there. Doorknob. Okay, doorknob position can be extra doorknob, left side front, left side rear doorknob, right side front, or right side rear. So these are different doorknobs. Top fender. top fender can be left side rear, left side front, and left side right side rear. Roof, so the roof is only one. Next is fender. Fender can be right side rear, right side front, left side rear, and left side front. Window panel. Next is boot. Boot is only once, that is the back side of the boot. Window panel can be extra window panel, left side front, left side rear, right side front, and right side rear. Next is rocker panel. Rocker panel can be left side front, left side rear, right side front, and right side rear. Next is door. Door can be of four types: extra door, five types: extra door, left side front, left side rear, right side front, and right side rear. And the view also matters, like how we are viewing it. Is it an interior or exterior? So most of the time it is exterior only. Interior, we can say that we are taking the image from inside the car, then the door is visible, so it becomes interior. If the image is from outside, we can, this is an example of outside the image, so we can marking it as exterior door. Next is wheel. Wheel can be left side front, left side rear, right side front, and right side rear. So spare wheel can be extra wheel, so much image we don't get for spare wheels, but it is an class. Mirror. Mirror position can be right side and left side, so these are the mirror, so some part is visible, not full. Windshield can be two part, front and rear. Then is bonnet. Bonnet is only once, that is front, so there are no more attributes. Grill can be seen at only the front. Number plate can be front and rear. Okay. Then it is bumper. Bumper and can also be front and rear. And it is light. Light can be of different types: left side tail light, right side tail light, right headlight, left headlight, fog light, and extra lights. So extra light, I will give an example later. So let's get started. We delete it. Okay. So here also we are using polygon, so we can mark exactly where the part is. So as we start marking with smaller parts, let's mark the light first. So light. um, So for up and down scrolling, you use shift and scroll through the mouse. For right and rear, using shift, control and scroll. Okay, like this we are marking. I'll give just giving an example like how we are doing it. So this is what? This is light. So the position matters. So the steering wheel is here. We're considering the steering wheel to be right side. So this is right. This is left. So left side rear, left side tail light, left tail light. Okay, this is right tail light, so we're marking it as left tail light. So we're marking exactly how it is. Okay, this, let me zoom in. Okay, like this, like this, like this, like this, and like this. So we are annotating this part. This is light. This is okay, light, that is right side tail. Okay, so the light is done. Next is number plate. Number plate we are annotating. This is rear number plate. The number plates are only of two types, front and rear. So the number plate is, we can search here number plate. Okay, then it is rear. Two parts are done. Next go for, this is extra light. You can see there's an extra light here, so we can mark it as extra light. So this is, let me search it. Okay, light, extra light. Okay, good, there we go. This is wheel, so we're marking wheel. We can use circle, but it can't be that much accurate. Sometimes circle use much tolerance, we don't want more tolerance, so we are marking the wheel exactly how it is, not much giving tolerance. So So the wheel, okay, exactly the wheel part we are marking. It needs experience, like, so you can't not every you can't be perfect at the first step, so you need experience in annotation. So this is wheel. Let me search it. Okay, wheel is left side rear wheel. This is doorknob. Let's mark a doorknob here. So this is a doorknob. We are marking the part of the doorknob. This is doorknob. Okay, the doorknob is left side, so the doorknob is marked as, let me search door. Okay, doorknob, the doorknob is left side rear. Okay, good. Next is window panel. Let me mark a window panel here. For example, let me zoom in. This is a window panel. Okay, good. This is window panel. If you are doing any mistakes, you can correct it also, to mark it perfectly. So when I'm marking it as window panel. Okay, this is left side rear window panel. Then we are marking a windshield. Okay, let's mark a windshield here. Let me zoom in. Okay, you have to be perfect, right? After annotating some parts, you gain experience. Then you can be perfect in annotation. It's a tool, Super Annotate. It's not free though. We need license for it. You can buy it such a, okay. So this is windshield. The windshield is a rear windshield. Don't worry if you make mistakes at the first. You can correct it later. Like this. Okay, perfect. You can add extra points also. Let's mark it as windshield. That is rear windshield. I think I will mark it. Let me give an example of how I mark mirror. This is side mirror. So mark how side mirror is. This sometimes you get confused between shadow and the mirror, so sometimes the images are not perfect. That time, okay, you can make mistakes, but be thorough with what you are doing. So I'm gonna mark exactly what I wanted. So let's give an example of other. So this is a bad image. So zoomed in image, I can't tell which part it is. So right, front, or rear. So we are skipping it. So this is an image. So the model predicts that how which part is what. So give an gives an example of what is what. So we can say that it predicted doorknob, both doorknobs, roof it predicted. This is also part of roof. Fender it predicted. Fender is this also predicted. Window panel is also predicted. Door, wheel, both wheel set has predicted. So if they are perfect, we can. If you are not satisfied, then you can change it and do it once again. So there are other parts also. You can see that this is blurred image. So the parts are visible but they're blurred. If you are satisfied, like the I can see the parts visible, but if you are okay, go for it and mark. If not, just skip the image here. Next here, it is also blurred image. It is much blurred, but the model has predicted, but we are not taking this as, so we can skipping it. This is a skipped image. So this is also not good. I can't tell whether it is right side or left side, and you can't mark it also. So I have skipped this image. So there are other parts also. You can see that predicted parts. This we can mark it as door, but it is door open, right? So we are not marking. So the model also not predicting it. So not marking the door if it is open. This is upside down. We have to mark it. It is a good image though. It is also good image though. We're marking. In this case, there are much cars, so we're taking the image only. So the which part car takes much a space in the image. So this takes whole space and is more, it has more visibility and more parts are visible. So we're marking this only. So here also we are marking next. So it is we are also not marking the door, so we're marking the rest of the parts. This is also a good image, but the some part is taken by the finger, so it is a bad image, so I'm not marking it. This is also a good image. This is a bad image, like you can see the blur black image. So black image or blurred image, we're not marking it. Okay, like this you are marking the image. Thank you.